When we have vector addition, all of you look up. It will be a line, arrow, continuous, right? Correct? Then this will be the resultant, A plus B, correct? When we have a subtraction, both must start from the same point. Then it depends on whether is it A minus B or B minus A. Alright, now supposing I have A minus B, then the arrow will point to A. So this will be A minus B. Alright now, if it's the other way, then it will be B minus A. Everybody clear? Now, yesterday I gave 2 questions on drawing, right? Is it correct? 2 questions on drawing. Okay, can you take out that 2 questions? I want you to look at the board and let's check our answer. I'm not going to let you mark, I'm going to mark because this is important. If let's say 1 or 2 marks you can get from this, you better go and get it because it's very easy to draw. Everybody clear with what I'm saying, okay? Alright, now what nonsense am I talking about right now? Okay, can all of you turn to page 192? Page 192. I'm going to get my square paper out first. Okay, this is my square paper, okay? Alright. Okay, all of you look, First question. I am talking. Did you all do it?
Yeah.
Very good. Okay, because very scared, because some people always bluff me one. They say they got do, they bluff me one, they try to do one. Understand? Then they draw triangles after triangles, the triangles go wrong one. Okay, now let's take a look here. They want A plus B. First one, part A. I want this to be fixed down here. Okay. Now, A is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 3. So this will be my A, right? Because it's plus, my B must start from here, correct? Okay, let's take a look at B. So my B must be like this, correct? Therefore, my resultant will be like this, A plus B. Can you check whether you have got this correct? You have to do it like that. Because it's plus, it must be continuous, part. Everybody okay? Okay? Now, then we look at part B. Actually, I have an intention when I do this one. That is B plus A. If it's B plus A, I will have B here. Then I start with A, right? A is what? 5, 3 again. A here. Then this will be B plus A. Am I right to say that? Okay? Now, remember yesterday I said A plus B is the same as B plus A, right? It's commutative. This is called commutative. Commutative means you can swap around. Like 2 plus 3 is 3 plus 2, commutative. 2 times 3 is 3 times 2, commutative. But minus is not commutative. I said you cannot swap around. The answer is not the same. Okay. I want to look at AB here. I just want to illustrate something. Hello, don't talk. Here, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9, 1, right? Do you agree that A plus B is 9, 1? But you look at this one, B plus A is also 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 9, 1. Can you see? Can you see the column vector for the resultant is the same? Therefore, they're actually equivalent. A plus B and B plus A is the same. There's no need to worry about it. Okay? Now, next one. Are we okay with these two? Okay, next one. A plus C. Can I see enough now? Okay. A plus C. A is 5, 3. Let's start. This is my A. So my C must start from the end point, right? So it's actually what? negative 1. Negative 1. This is your C here. I'm talking to you, is this correct? So your A plus C must be this one. Agree? Yes or no? Yes or no? Okay, I repeat. For addition, it must be start, continue, then opposite direction. Everybody clear? Okay, next one. B plus C. B plus C. You must write this way. So, can you get all these answers? Are you able to get all these answers? Now, some people don't get, you know why? They count wrongly, that's the problem. They count wrongly. Everybody okay? So, what do you realize about plus? I need to specify this again. Plus means draw, continue, the other direction. Okay? Draw, continue, the other direction. Clear? This is plus. I'm going on to the next question. Will that be okay? Okay, Alright, let's take a look at the next question. Okay, what's the next question? Question number 11. The diagram shows three vectors A, B, and C. Okay? They want us to draw A minus B. Now I told you already, when it's minus, all the two vectors must start from the same point. Agree? So let's draw A first. This is my A. What about my B? So this is my B, right? Can you see both start from the same point? Now because they want A minus B, I will draw the line. This one will point to A. Everybody clear? Okay. How about B minus A? It will be the same diagram, right? But this arrow will go where? The other way. So I don't need to do that. Everybody clear? Everybody clear? Okay? Alright, good. Next one. A minus C. This is my A. What about my C? 3, 2. Down this way. So because it's A minus C, this will be my answer, right? Pointing to A. Okay? Okay, last one, C minus B. So I have C. B is 3, 5. C minus B, so it will be this one, right? Do you get a vertical vector? Actually, what is this column vector? What is this column vector? Do you get 0, 3? Can you see it's 0, 3? You understand what I'm talking about here? Can? Can, no problem, Everybody can draw? Okay, repeat. And you must start, continue, opposite direction. If you subtract, you must start from the same point. Then it depends on which one, then you point in which direction. Everybody clear with what I'm saying? Yes or no? Yes, okay, now I know you are tired. 4:35, I will dismiss you. Because I also want to go home. You understand? So can you bear with me? I didn't set the timetable to be like that. I already told you 10,000 times. Am I right? If I were the one to plan the timetable, right, I will always put you from 9 to 10. I don't want 8 to 9 also. Because haven't wake up. You realize that 8 to 9 you also want to die like that one. It's when after 9 then you are awake one. So I will give myself 9 to 11. I don't want before lunch or before breakfast. Before lunch I don't want because you're very hungry. You don't listen to me. You only think of the mala then. Or you think of the mangoes, whatever you have. After also no good because you're too full, you want to fall asleep. Understand? So actually there's no good time for a lesson. But there's always a good time to sleep. Am I right? Some people can sleep practically everywhere or anywhere. Understand? Huh? I think some people is really accustomed to the maths teacher's voice. That it sounds like a lullaby. Once I start talking, wow, the sleeping thought come. Okay, excuse me, I'm talking in vectors then. I'm not saying lullaby baby, the tree down, the wind blows, something like that. That kind of thing. If I sing this, it's straight away wake up. Because I don't have a melodious voice. Okay, I cannot sing English song, I don't know what they're talking about. Okay, I can only sing some English song. Okay, excuse me, you want to count how many petals it has? Then does it follow Fibonacci sequence, that kind of thing? Okay, do you know that there's this Fibonacci sequence that you can follow? You know why pineapple is being sliced in a very nice way? It's because of Fibonacci sequence. I think you don't know what I'm talking about, this is about, right? Wow, pineapple also can say until like that, right? But it's true, you know. And some petals of the flowers also follow Fibonacci sequence. There's a school who did Fibonacci sequence that actually can come up with those music scores and it will become a tune or something like that. Okay, I get to explore that because I don't know music. I can only go KTV and K some song, that's it. But nowadays KTV clothes also cannot K. I'll wait till they say can remove mask, then I go K lah. Understand? Can you please wake up? I said so many things already, you're still sleeping, walao eh. Are we ready? No! You're never ready. Are you ready to sleep? Yes! Ever ready. Okay, come. Let's turn the textbook now. I'm going to go through all the other examples first. Okay, can you all now turn to page 177? Example 4 I've already done, correct? Okay. Example 5 I also did it. Okay. Example 6 I've already done. I told you what is a zero vector already, correct now? Okay. And vector subtraction I have also done. Okay. And I actually stopped at example 8 yesterday. Remember I told you how to label the resultant? Yeah? Yes? Okay. So right now we are going on to example 9. Can we all look at example 9? This one. Okay. I'm going to remove all the drawings that is on the board now. Okay. Okay. First thing you must know. We must be able to write all these in terms of A and B. Okay? All of you look at the board, please don't talk. I say 435 means 435. I don't talk too much, talk for what? Okay? The diagram below shows a parallelogram OACB, where OA is A and OB is B. Now, when you are given this, let me use another color. If not, students will get confused. Do you agree that CA is also B? And BC is also what? A, right? Can you write that down in your text? Now, express the following vectors in terms of A and B. Now, can you look at BC? Now, it's very obvious. This is just A, right? Can everybody see that? Okay. How about CA? Negative B, right? Because it's in other direction. Everybody okay? I'm teaching you the simple one first. Negative B is the answer. Okay? Next one. How about OC? Now, can you see that OC is actually A plus B? Can you see it? So this one is A plus B, correct? Everybody clear? A You must look at the diagram this time. Okay, next one. How about AB? What about this AB? Let me clean away all the rubbish. What about AB? Now, can you see that this one originate? This one originate. That means must be something minus something. This AB point to what? B. So this one must be B minus A, right? Can you see what I'm talking about here? So you must know how to read. That's why we learn how to draw, then we know how to read. Understand? So it's B minus A. Is everybody okay? Now, then they want to ask, what is BA? Now, can you see that AB and BA is the other direction? So actually, I'm taking the negative of this, right? Hello, hello? Yeah? If I'm taking the negative of this, it's actually this one, right? Or I can write what? Sorry. A minus B. This gradient still haven't repaired. Correct? The gradient is getting more and more slanting. It's in the third quadrant now. When I put the duster pop, straight away fall down. Do you see the third quadrant? Third quadrant, what is positive? Tangent, very good with this. You see, from duster, I can talk about quadrant. Fantastic, right? Okay, we can revise a lot of things, alright? Okay, so are you okay with this example? Yeah? Okay, good. Alright, next up, I want to talk about this notation here. This first notation. Okay? Now, before I talk about the negative one, this is a bit too high, I talk about the positive one first. Now, when we do plus, all of you listen, this intermediate point must be the same, right? PQ plus QR. Correct now? Then it becomes PR, correct? Because where you stop, you must start now. Correct? Okay, so this is something. Now, must this be Q? Yes. What if this is A? Then this one will be what? A. Understand? So it's common sense. Okay? Now, then we talk about the negative, minus. What do we have for minus? Okay? If this BA, you will be OA minus OB. It may not always be that. It can also be PA minus PB. That means this first letter must be the same. Understand? Now, why do they use O? Because later we are going to learn position vector with respect to the origin. Then the column vector, right, will represent the coordinates of that particular point. Everybody clear? Okay, so is it okay if I write XA minus XB? It's also okay, depending on the question. Am I right to say that? Oh, so this is something that you must know. Everybody okay? Right, huh? Okay. Now, next thing, I will have example 10. Can all of you look at example 10 here? They say simplify impossible. Okay. Now, usually in exam, this type will not come out. It's very obvious one. Okay. Now let's look at number 1. Part A. Can I on the light now because I am writing? I don't want people who cannot see the book. You see now my cat also dropped. Everything dropped. I'm old already, so that one. Can't be helped. Okay. I just realized that as you get older, your stamina really cannot. Last time I mark very fast on it. Understand? I mark super fast and now I mark super slow. But I'm still faster than other teachers. Which I don't understand why also. They're so young and then they cannot mark. I cannot understand. Okay? It's whether you have the discipline or not. Okay? If you have no heart, don't be a teacher, you understand? I mean, the person no heart. If you don't like to teach, how many of you want to aspire to be a teacher? Oh, thank you. Don't be a No, I'm telling you, it's hard life, really hard life. Now even worse must be with mask. Very hot, you know it's very hot. Whenever I walk to this table, right, my sweat just drip, drip, drip. This one is very contaminated. Please clean it out. Okay? It's not easy to talk with this stupid mic, understand? I can't stand mic. Last time I wear shield on. You see my other studio, I wear shield. I can't stand mic because my voice is already very loud. Then I like shout into the mic like that. Then I scared my students hear drama. Wait. Then I'm like, whoa, you know, the blood come out, wow, I'm scared. Okay, so it's very bad, huh? Okay? And I hope this mask thing, right, will be gone forever. Because now it's outdoor, right? Now it's very cute, right? Corridor, you don't need to wear mask. Then come in, you wear mask. Then you go out, you don't wear mask. Then you go somewhere, you wear mask. Then what if your mask lost, then how? Because for students, right, sure will lost the mask one. Then you take out, then this string break, then no more mask. Then forever you got to take like that. You know, it comes to don't look like what I think. Okay? It's terrible, you know? Okay, but never mind. Life goes on. Mask or no mask. Come, can we carry on now? I know you're tired. Come. The teacher here is very tired. Okay? Tired to the power of infinity. What does that mean? If it's tired, it's just like that, right? Tired to the power of infinity means what? That means it's like that. Tired. 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 Forever. Infinity, you know. Infinity. Infinite. You cannot count. Countless. Uncountable. Huh? Okay, never mind. Even if I say it's already very tired. Okay, but infinity is even more tired. Come. Hey. Both prepare, yeah? Come. PR plus RQ. No need to see also know is PQ, right? Because the intermediate point is the same. Correct? Don't say, wow, no diagram, I cannot do that kind of thing. Okay? Alright, next one. PQ minus PR. Now, what do you notice? The first letter is the same, right? So this one become what? RQ. Lor. Just now remember I said AB is OB minus OA. Alright, so RQ will be PQ minus PR, right? Okay? And you must know how to go and then must know how to come back. You cannot say, I only know this, right? Is this one I read about it? I don't know already. That means you only know how to come to school, you never go home, you know. Oh, you take the bus to school, then you stay here forever, you understand? Oh, then no choice, now you got to hear my voice forever, lor. You understand? Huh? Okay? Part C. PQ minus QR. Can it be done? Can this be done? No, this cannot be done at all. Okay? In the first place, there's nothing to do. Understand what I'm talking about? Yes or no? Okay? So PQ minus QR. Okay? This cannot vector addition, and we cannot simplify this further. Everybody okay? Everybody okay? Alright, now next one is actually this one, can you see, is actually matrices. That's why I must do matrices first, okay? Now, then this one is confirmed. Sec 1 also know how to do if I teach them matrices. Okay, all look up. Can you see, I just simplify this matrix. Then this one, I just do the matrix, then I equate the equation, right? Then I can get the answer right now. Can see it now? Can see it now? We've done it in matrices before, right? Okay, so there's no need to do So let me just show you the answer. So you just do form equation and then you solve blah 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 blah, answer come. Everybody okay? Okay to you? Yes, okay, so that's example 11. Then right, wow, fantastic. We have finished this already, lor. Huh? Isn't it wonderful? Yes, life is wonderful. Okay, good. So what happens now is that I will do the homework together with you for 5B. If we can finish on time, we must rest until 4:35. Then we'll be dismissed. I will not carry on with the next scalar multiplication. Tomorrow then I will do. If you misbehave, right, straight away I scalar multiply you. Okay? You understand? Oh? Okay, now what you do is this. Don't waste paper. What's that? Oh, never mind. Don't let it fly to me. I'm scared of this kind. I'm quite scared of cockroach. How many of you are scared of cockroach? Don't you think cockroach is the most horrible thing on earth other than dentist? I think dentist is very frightening. You don't even need to go there, you hear the sound, you want to run away. So the most frightening one is dentist, then followed by cockroach. They are parallel to each other actually. They are equal vectors. To me, I don't know why, I can't sound allow it. You just go like that, you know. And cockroach, you know that there's one day I brought a cockroach to school. Let me tell you, this is the most horrible thing that ever happened in my entire life. What do they say about? Don't let me start straight away. Okay, you know I always carry 2 bags on, right? I don't know whether you notice or not. I have 1 bag there, I have another bag there. Then this other bag is actually my mother made one. You know, she used the curtain cloth to make. Because I'm very cheap one. If it's too expensive, I want to buy one. Then I realized that I want to buy that thing, right? It's actually $20 over. So now, one piece of cloth charge me 20 is too much, right? So my mother also know a very cheap one. So she went with the curtain cloth and everything. Then this, okay, my bag is actually my wallet all inside. Then the other one is my diary. I must say what day I do what kind of thing. Then with my water bottle. And then my this one card. Then what happened was that I put it at my floor my house. And you know this cockroach very naughty. He ran into that bag. Then he didn't come out, you know. Then can you imagine it was inside that bag. I carried all the way to the bus stop. Then I went up the bus there with the cockroach inside. Wow, luckily I never looked inside and drink water. Then the cockroach, I just scream along. Then you will have a headline, you just scream at the bus and fall down. Okay, wow, it's so terrible. Then you know what happened? I came to school. Then you know when I come to school, I must take out my bottle and everything, right? So when I took out the bottle, I looked inside. Cockroach! Then what I did was that I threw the whole bag away. And the cockroach came out. And then, so sorry, it went to another colleague's computer. Wow, I dare not tell that colleague there. Then for the whole day, I looking inside cockroach, he said cockroach only. No, I very frightened. Then my colleague, they went off, they said, for now, you brought one cockroach to school, bro. I said, no, I know the cockroach want to travel to Serangoon to Hougang, I know. But I try to do the worst thing on earth. Cockroach is very scary. Because you run where, they run where. These are not so scary. You look at them, they still run away. You know, cockroach run towards you, that's the worst thing. What's the worst thing? The flying cockroach. Walao, you want to hide also don't know hide where. How many agree with me? Yes, I cannot stand it. And then you know cockroach, the leg, it's just very picky, you understand? Okay? Last time, you know like white dot. We have black dot, I don't know whether you heard before. Then we have chalk. I tell you something, okay? There was once, you know last time, swimming, the chalk all put inside this bottle one. Then I had one chalk here, I want to take some more. I had one piece of chalk. I opened cockroach, I closed. Then the whole day, right, I only use that chalk. I just use little bit. I'm very scared, no? I'm very scared. I couldn't all frightened because I also frightened myself. Then the one's very garang. I was teaching, one cockroach go run. Then you see, in front of students, I cannot say, then I run away, right? So I must still act cool, you know? Then I said, boy, come here. They said, why? Take the broom, hit the cockroach. Swim away and throw. Then you know, you must still act very garang like that. You very steady, but actually I'm not steady, I will die already. Okay, so that is the agony of a teacher, you know? You cannot like scared or what, no? I think I'm very scared, sorry, I'm still very scared. That's irritating, okay. Are you awake now? Okay. Oh, yes, God damn you. Oh, yo. Just now I say what I also forget already. Okay. Just now I said this. After that, I was distracted by the cockroach. This is the square paper, right? You do those at the back so that you don't waste. You just hand up this paper later. Will that be okay? Alright, now let's take a look at top question. Can we look at question number 10? No need to draw. Just look at question number 10 and I want to do it behind the square paper. Is that clear? Behind the square paper. Okay? 10A. Home class, tell me, what does it give me? There's no, can you see? Hey, this one got no dot, it's your red dot or something. Don't know down here. I can't get rid of it. It's disfigured already. Okay. Part B. What is it? SR. This one I need to teach you, okay? Can you see? Once you see what like very frightening like that. Do you agree that this is actually TR minus TS? Once I put minus, I must flip right. Do you agree? Yes or no? Yes or no? Okay. If you don't know right, I show you something. This is ST right? Alright. Do you agree that ST is actually the negative of TS? This is ST right? TS is like that right? If I negative it, it will go back. So it's the same right? Can you see? So what is this answer? SR. Okay? Now, try the rest yourself first. I think until part C already. There are 3 other parts. Are you okay with plus x minus ts? Yes. Okay, part D. Oh, this is another easy thing. What's that? ST, very good. Part E. This one, you do 2 by 2. Right? Now, if you know this, you will know this. This is actually SR. I want to put it as ST. So what should this mean? Minus. So what is this? PR. Everybody okay? I'm trying to expose you to how to write this down so that later on you'll be okay. Understand? You stop this with a very easy exercise. Okay? Now, next one, last one is what? X. RQ plus QT plus TP plus TS. Now, you want to do 2 by 2 also can, but if you look right, it's actually RS straight away. No? Can you see these two is the same, this is the same, this is the same, so first and last. Can you see it? So it's RS straight away. I want to know, is everybody okay? Can, no problem. Okay, so that is your question number 10. Okay, 11 we have done already. Let us look at question number 12. Let us look at question number 12, okay? Are you okay so far? Okay, let's look at question 12. Okay. The diagram shows a parallelogram ORCS when OR is R and OS is S. Now, I want to add in. This is also R. This is also S. Am I right? Because it's a parallelogram now. Agree, class? Okay. Now, express the following vectors in terms of R and of S. A. RT. Now, can you see RT is here, so what is it? Just what? S. Is everybody okay? Part B. TS. All of you look up. If I want TS is in this direction, now this is in this direction, so how? Negative R. Very good. Next one, part C. OT. Now, I want you to look up. OT is this one, all of you, Can you see it's OS plus ST? So what is it? S plus R, right? Can you see it's S plus R? This one plus this one is this one, right? Can you see it now? Okay, so this is S plus R. Okay, next one. What did they say? What is RS? I'm going to click off everything now, Yeah. RS is this one, right? Correct? Now I want you to look at this triangle. Can you tell me what's RS?
S minus R.
S minus R, right? Can you see they originate from the same point they point out? Then I point this way is S. Alright, so this one is S minus R. Last one. Now, this one actually don't need to do. Look at this. RS, SR, the other way, right? So this should be a R minus S, right? Alright, you're negative of it. Everybody clear? Everybody okay so far? Okay, good. So that will be your question number 12. Okay. Next question. Can we look at 17? All of you look at 17. I have 2 more questions for you. Alright, now what I want you to do is this. What I want to do is that first, can you just call this A, this B, this A, and this B, so that you can see it better later. Okay? Okay, I want to do the first one now. All of you look at the box. I don't want people to look anywhere else. PQ plus PS, right? All of you look up. PQ is this one, right? I plus this one. Can you see that plus this one is the same as plus this one? So what's the answer? PR. Can you see that going along? So this is actually equal to PR. Everybody okay? Can you understand what I'm talking about? Can or not? Can, Okay, good. Next. Okay. What if I change this to plus? What will happen? Oh, now can you see I can plus? So what does it put in? Q. Because the intermediate point is the same. Everybody here? Okay? Now, why I want to show you this? I want to show you that it's not just from plus it can become minus. Minus it can also become plus. Everybody okay? Alright, part 3. PR. Now, if I change this to plus, what will it give me? Yes, very good. RS, then plus SQ. Can you see the answer is staring at you already? What's the answer? PQ, right? Can you see it? Actually, if you want to do it like in the diagram form, this is PR, right? Then RS will be here. Then SQ will be here. So this will be the resultant. Can you see? 1, 2, 3 resultant. Everybody okay? Okay. Now, Actually, I'm really done it. If PQ is A and PS is B, find in terms of A and or B. Okay. I'm going to write the question here so that you can see the diagram. Okay, first question. R, SR. One of you tell me, look at that, SR is what? A. Part 2. I want to use 1 minute to look at PR. What is it? PR is this one, right? So how? There are two ways. PR is this one, right? So it's actually A plus B or what? B plus A also can. Can you see it? Okay? Part 3. SQ. I want you to tell me the answer. SQ. Okay, alright, what's the answer? A minus B. Let's see it. A minus B. Okay, now why is that so? All of you go to look up. If you see B originates from here and A originates from here. Okay, then they want this direction, so you must take this one, A minus B, you see? Okay, I told you already, minus, both must start from the same point. Okay? Alright, good. Next. Last question. Promise. Number 18. Number 18. Okay. The figure below, the diagonals of PQRS intersect at K, find for each of the following equations a vector which can replace U. Now I'm going to teach you how to solve these vectors. Understand? All of you right? Zero vector, right? Okay? So, U will actually be 0 minus SK prime. Correct? Now, how to put it in a nice form? Minus SK is actually equal to AS, right? Okay. Everybody okay? Can? Okay. Part B. ST plus PQ plus U equal to 0 vector. Now I want to simplify this first. What does it mean? Right? What is this? Minus SQ is the same, but yes. Are you okay? I'm trying to get you used to this notation first. Okay? Part C. This is the best thing on earth. Can you tell me this one very easy to simplify? What is PR? So U is just PR. Can see it? Can see it? Okay, okay, huh? Okay, good. Now, how to write this one? I write this? I can write KS, right? Now, can you see the answer staring at you already? What's the answer now? Just KS. That's your part D, huh? Okay. Can you try E and F yourself first? Now, first, I just want to ask a question before I continue. Did I even refer to the diagram? No. Is it necessary for the diagram actually? There's no need to. Okay, but if you want to refer to the diagram, you can do so. Okay? Now, PS, what do I do? Plus what? SR, there it goes. It goes to U. So U is just PS, right? Hey, did I write wrongly? T lah. T, my mistake. Everybody okay? Now, it's this one that I'm worried. Okay? All of you, PQ plus QR plus RT, right? You do, it becomes PP, right? Remember, I told you PP is what? Zero vector. So U will be the zero vector. Why is it a zero vector? Because we don't move. It went back to the original position. Everybody clear? Everybody clear? Okay, good. Right. Okay. As promised, I say won't continue means won't continue. Okay. Can you pass the square paper forward?